kuva uyu mwaka utangira turimo gukemura ikibazo cy'abantu bakomeje kuvuga ko batabona ahantu henshi bashobora kubona serivisi za Airtel Money. Uburyo bwo kubikemura rero twabigezeho, ni ukuvuga ngo mu bice byose by'umujyi wa Kigali twashyizeho amaduka yitwa Airtel Money branch, na amaduka ya Airtel Money aho umuntu wifuza kubona serivisi zose za Airtel ndetse na Airtel Money cyane cyane ashobora kwegera muri iyo branch akabona serivisi. Ubu mu mujyi wa Kigali tumaze kugeza ku ma branch ageze kuri 71. Hanyuma ikindi twakoze, twarebye umujyi wa Kigali ukuntu uteye, turebye neza dusanga ari aho tutari turi mu bijyanye na service bya customer care. Twa dufite ibyo muzi nka service center, twa dufite service center 7 mu mujyi wa Kigali, tumaze kuzigira ubu ngubu ni 15, ku buryo umuntu wese nko mu bice bya Kicukiro twabagezeho, tubaha Sonatube, tubaha Kicukiro centre, tubaha Zinia, za Gikondo twabahaye kuri Merezi ya kabiri. Aho hose ni ibice twaribanze mu bice bya Gasabo no mu mujyi hagati, ariko na Kicukiro twayigezemo, n'ahandi tumaze kugeza ahari branch za Airtel Money n'umubare wa service center tumaze kuwukuba 2. Ibi nibyo mu magambo make twifuzaga kuganiraho uyu munsi, tubibagezaho gahunda nshya ziri muri Airtel Money zijyanye no kohereza amafaranga ku buntu, ndetse n'uburyo turimo kwegera abaturage hafi y'aho bakorera ndetse n'aho hafi y'aho batuye kugira ngo serivisi za Airtel Money zirusheho kuboneka.
We are launching a very strong and path-breaking product today, which is basically sending money for free. As of now, there is nobody else who provides this service in this market, and we, as we always do, we are the ones who have started this product which is made available. Anybody sitting in any part of the country can transfer money, which is Airtel Money, for free on being part of the Airtel community. So what it means is there were charges, and there are charges on different bands starting from 100 francs to 2 million. And what we have done here is that we have removed all those charges, eliminated all those charges. This was done for a very short period of time during the COVID restriction period last year. However, we had taken the service back, but now we have launched it for good.
Ari campaign twatangije muri uyu mwaka, mu mwaka utangira wa 2021 2021, va ku giti dore umurongo. Icyo twungukiye muri iyo campaign ya va ku giti, twagerageje kwereka umunyarwanda amahitamo, tumwereka ibicuruzwa dufite, ibiciro dufite. Icyo twayikozemo ni ukuvuga ngo twavuga ko ari umurongo wizewe, the honest network
ecosystem, which is bank to wallet and wallet to bank. When I say wallet, it is the mobile money wallet. So your question was, why is there a burden? Now, in the entire ecosystem, when a customer wants to send money from his Airtel Money wallet to the bank wallet, bank account wallet, the entire ecosystem is made of integrators. There's network involved, there are IT enablers involved, and there are sometimes also intermediaries involved. And all of this has an element of cost to it. Now, while I have to look into the things that you pointed about the bank, I'm sure the banks are the right people to tell you why there are costs which are very burdensome. But what I understand from the economics of this is that if the number of transactions go up, which is bank to wallet and wallet bank, which means that there is seamlessness between whether I keep my money at the wallet or I keep the money in the bank. Once that seamlessness happens, meaning the number of transactions have to grow multifold, I'm sure the cost have to come down and will come down. So I may not be able to answer why the banks are charging, but definitely it is all basis economies of scale. If the economies of scale allow you, because there is an inherent cost in the ecosystem itself, and that cost somewhere or the other is being passed on to the consumer. You will notice that when the first call was made in this country, the charges were prohibitive. The reason was there were not enough customers, because there is a network cost, there is an employee cost, there is OPEX and capital expenditure cost. As soon as the number of customers have started coming in, there was a time where his incoming was also being charged. Right? Incoming call used to be charged. Now you see the cost is as low as 2.5 francs a minute. So what is happening is the economies of scale have evolved. I'm sure that will happen, and that is the aim of BNR as well as Ministry of ICT and all of us put together who are participants to this. So ask me, we could have kept it at 10 million, but we have taken at 100% of transactions which happen beneath this. There are 2 points to it, and why you said why 3 transactions and why not more. Normally what happens is, now with P2P becoming free, cash in is already, we don't earn any revenue on cash in. Now with P2P also becoming free, we will absorb that loss that we have to, but the only gain can come in from cash out, which is when you walk up to an agent and you cash out money giving your float. What can happen is, it can happen that in the past we have seen that if you have more than 3 transactions, because we have seen the entire life cycle of a customer, 99.99% of customers don't do more than 3 transactions a day. This is per day. And 100% don't do anything more than 2 million unless you are a merchant. So if you are a merchant, obviously like a supermarket, you will keep on accepting a lot of cash. So that will be treated separately. This is only for person to person, and we have tried to keep it so that tomorrow it does not lead to falsification of the process. Because if then what can happen is, if I just keep on doing transactions, they will lead to something we know as loop transactions. So that is the reason. But I can assure you 100% of the transactions fall within this curve, and that is why we came up with 2 million and 3. However, if we find that this keeps on changing and we find that customers get the appetite of doing more than 2 and more than 3, I'm sure we will not miss 24 hours before we change because it's just a system tweak we have to do. From 3 to 5 we can do, from 2 million to 10 million we can do. But as of now, just to ensure that the money stays within the ecosystem and is not misutilized, that is why we have.